Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
This is Nikhil from Karimpitas, and I hope all of you are doing well. See, guys, today we are here in Rajendra Park for public speaking, and in Karimpitas we always go for public speaking and many more activities. And today I am here for talking about one of the most important topic, that is AI. Guys, AI is not just a thing or not just a tool. It's our part of life, the era of AI. Guys, let me just give you some introduction. Many people just listen AI, AI, AI. But what is AI? Many people just listen and use these things. But there's some people who truly know how to use AI in daily life. You know, I am gonna talk about earlier what used to happen and today what's happening, right? In earlier there used to be happen a fat, wide and idiot box, but this time we have a smart box, a smartphones, a smart laptop, a smart watches. We have to use AI everything, like unlocking our phone, that is AI. Guys, we use YouTube, Instagram and many more platforms. There is some ads who reference, that is AI works behind that apps. What we are doing, even we are shooting here, even we are here for public speaking, everything AI knows. That Instagram, Facebook, Google, everybody knows. If you are talking about shoes, so after sometimes you will see a ad on Instagram, on Flipkart for shoe, that is AI. It can affect your privacy. It's a demerit of AI. How it can affect? Let me give you a real example. Like few months ago, there was a trend on Gemini image. Like people were creating that image. There was a girl who uploaded an image and asked for Gemini based image, and there was a mole, and that AI provided that correct way, mole position. Wearing sari, that is a demerit. How AI knows? How that Google Gemini knows? Because Google Gemini is just watching always your privacy, what we are doing, your camera. And few days ago Google fired many people without any notification. Just Google sent an email and thousands of people are fired. Why? Because of AI, because they are not evolving by the time, by the era. Like in this era, this is the era of AI. We are the generation Gen Z. We have seen many things. We have suffered from an idiot box to a smart box, a smart computer. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Yeah, that great person. Like he always hire Indians, because we Indians are just creative. We have a special power, a mind, a critical thinking, problem solving skill. Why? Because of our ancestors, because of our surrounding, because of our motherland. This is the power. But by the time we are using AI, and by the time it will affect on our health, like it will damage our thinking skill, critical thinking skill, problem solving skill. It can affect some jobs like doctors, engineers, artists. AI can make images, arts. AI can sing song. AI can make music. Even if, guys, you have seen a movie, animated movie fully by AI, Mahabharata. That movie was made by AI. So see, guys, there is a problem. Even directors are not safe. AI can create scripts, create stories, create videos and many more things. But we don't need to afraid, because if we learn AI how to use in correct way, we will be the great generation. We will be the millionaire, a successful person because of AI. So we must learn AI. It doesn't matter actually whether you are commerce field, whether you are science field, it doesn't matter. You should learn AI in medical field, in Excel, like in commerce. As far as I know, people use Excel for accountancy. In Excel you can use AI, and it is a smart way. It's AI can save your time. Like there is a 50 people who are working and you have to pay 50 people, but if you are using AI, it can do that much work as much that 50 people can. So you should use AI, and in this time you can do anything with the help of AI. And with the help of AI. And if I talk about medical field, actually a real example, a doctor was living in London and a operation has done in India, in Mumbai, with the help of AI, with the help of robot, with the help of tech. It's possible, guys. Like that doctor is living too far from India, and he is able to make operation 100% successfully. Actually, AI can save your life, but it's a harsh reality of nature. Who can't survive, who is not evolving, he must die. He will die one day. You have to grow, you have to develop. By the time you have to learn new and new activities, AI can help many more things. Even a student, even a 5-year student, 5-year-old child can do anything because of AI. Actually, this time we are students. We learn anything, we study. Like ChatGPT tell me this information, and within 5 minutes, actually within few seconds, there's a information because of AI. And let learn together. Let grow our country together with the help of AI. And that's all from my side. Thank you.